All right, so day number 872. I don't know. Feels like it's been forever. I did check steering head bearings last night. Once I loosened this top triple nut, this one under here, that spanner nut was loose, like just finger tight. So I tightened it down, got a little bit of preload out of those bearings, and so hopefully that'll resolve it. So I'm gonna go to work, see how it does. If it's still going, someone suggested removing this and it's just velcroed on, so I'll try pulling that off and see if there's any change. Here we go. Oh, that's so exciting. Still got a little wobble up at like 85, but I shouldn't ever need to be running those speeds, so I'm happy.